welcome to my channel. My name is Mary from Mary's Kitchen MTL. Today I will be showing you how to make a potato ham lasagna. The ingredients that you'll need are potatoes, rosemary ham, cooking cream, eggs, salt and pepper, and cheese. To begin, we will need 12 peeled potatoes. The next thing we'll do is cut the potatoes in very thin slices, just like this. The potatoes are all sliced. What we need to do next is add some salt and a little bit of pepper. Add some extra virgin olive oil and we'll toss them with our hands. We'll need a 9 by 13 inch pan. Drizzle some olive oil at the bottom. Just spread it with our fingers a little bit all around. You can choose any of your 2 favorite cheeses to dress your potato ham lasagna. I have here some Parmesan cheese that I've grated and some marble cheddar that I've shredded. And we're going to layer the potato lasagna with the ham. This will be our first layer. We will place our rosemary ham. Cheese. We will repeat. That's our top layer. We'll need 1 cup of cooking cream, 1 egg, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Pour the egg into the cream, mix it up a little bit. Pour the cream and egg mixture on top. And we'll add more cheese. I'll add a little bit more cheese because I like mine cheesy. We will bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes. Cover it with parchment paper, then with some aluminum foil. And it's ready to bake. Parsley on top. I hope you make it and you share this recipe with your family and friends. Enjoy. Thanks for watching and for subscribing to my YouTube channel.